Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. But let's see what's inside. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. They got sales going on now, so definitely check them out. And here we go. Ooh. This is nice. Paudin. I'm not sure if I butchered her name. Here we go. What is this? Kitchen knife set. Model number NS5. Mercer set. Alright. Take a look at this. All your culinary students. School's in session. You could be the next master chef like Gordon Ramsay and the other people. Here we go. Let's take a look at these. We'll test them out. We'll go in the kitchen in a few after I clean it up a little bit. I was not expecting this today, so gotta do a quick clean. We'll be good to go. Oh, come on. It's always a struggle sometimes. Oh boy. There we go. Get it out now. How do I open? Sesame. Be careful, kids. Do not order this unless you're trained. Be careful, adults. Very sharp knives. Oh boy. Yeah, they got the names for it. We got the chef knife 1 and 1. We got the bread knife. The Santoku knife. Ooh. That could do some damage. Look at that cleaver. Hey, I got that right. Utility knife. And a paring knife. And a carving knife. And a boning knife. Bonding. Cleaver knife. Steak knives. Whoa. These are nice. Steak knife ×4. Or S4. S3. Oh, baby. Definitely. Thank you guys for sending me this for a review. Much appreciated. Here we go, guys. Like I said, they're going to be sharp, so be careful. Oh. Do not eat this. And here's another one. Wow. This is fancy. Some of the others are underneath this. This is pretty cool. Take a look at this one. Oh, there's a... Oh, wow. Usually they don't have this cover protector. But still be careful. You know. I gotta be careful too. Look at that. That's a paring knife. Nice laser engraving. Yeah, see, they got a protector right there. We'll sleeve it up. Put that right there. And yeah, look at the handle though too. Nice. Got the logo right there. They took some time and effort into this. Yeah, see, these are really sharp. Gotta sleeve it up. Here's a meat cleaver, I think. I don't need. Here we go. Ooh. Look at that. Here's a handle. Really nice. definitely check out their sales. Like I said before, you guys will not be disappointed in this at all. Look at that teeth marks. Oh, baby. Paudin. And here's a big one. Yeah, it looks better without the plastic. Yeah, super sharp. Make sure you get your parents' permission. So we got that all taken care of. Got everything out. And now we're about to go into the kitchen and chop some things up. Probably some onions, something easy. Be right back. Alright guys, say hello to Mr. Onion. I'm gonna... Whoa. Alright. That means business. Oh jeez. That was a close one. Bam. Okay, now I'm gonna try this one. It's kind of hard to do it on that corner. Very sharp, guys. Careful. Now we can see the Mr. Teeth guy in action. I know these are not what it's made for, but you can use meats and stuff like that. But for a video, it's okay. See? There we go. And that was number 2. And here's the little guy. This guy. Yeah, see, this is a nice one. I'm not crying yet, so the onions are not too bad. They're ready for salad. Or chili, or whatever you make. Easy to chop up. But they are sharp. There we go. We'll chop up the whole thing. I got a few minutes to kill. And now this little dude. Pretty good, I say. Cut some tomatoes, inch cut, you know. There you go. So definitely check them out. Give them a good rinse. And you're good to go. Paudin. Hopefully I didn't butcher the name. But check them out. Link down below. Be safe. Have a good night. Bam. And now we can just go boom. Boom. Put that one back there. And wipe this down. Oh, yeah, definitely some good stuff coming from them. Pretty cool. Alright, YouTubers, you guys check them out. Link's going to be in the bio. Be safe. See ya.